Alright guys, thank you so much for stopping in. This is of course Unbox and Chill. Welcome back to my desk studio. We do have another unboxing to do today. Um, we've got a watch that we got from WatchKing.com. It looks like it's out of Germany. It came from their wheel. It was a tier 2 wheel span. It's about 150 bucks to get into. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to see what it entails. We're going to look at the specs on their website. We're going to discuss it, see how we feel about it, and then I want you to let me know how you feel in the comment section below, okay? If you can hear my voice, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button while I get my desk ready here. We're growing nicely. We do have giveaways lined up at 500 and then 1,000 subscribers. The channel's moving along nicely. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hang out with me. We'll do some unboxings. We'll look at some cool stuff here. So let's get down to the unboxing, okay? So it came in obviously a mailer box. I'll put that in the frame here. Came in this box in the mail. And in the book, looks like it was outside of the box because it was inside of a kind of a, I don't know, it was kind of a styrofoam construction inside of it. So I do have the book, which was on top of the styrofoam, and then I have the box here, okay? So let's look at the book. So this is Fortuna. That's what it says on here. And it looks like it's a brand out of Germany that I'm going to be honest, I have not heard of. But looking at their website, they do have some nice pieces, including an automatic chronograph I'd like to maybe acquire someday. So this is probably just going to be your warranty, operations manual, and care information here. But and that word at the bottom too, it's like chronometry. I don't know. Like I said, obviously it's probably something in German. I'm probably mispronouncing it. If you know how it's supposed to be said, please in the comment section below drop it down. I could look it up, but I'm not going to. So someone let me know later. Okay, so this is Fortuna. That's what we've got here. So we've got the box. It's got this. It's got a texturing to it, kind of a weave texturing to it. It's just kind of an okay box, just kind of just a regular average box. Perhaps their watches are a little more upmarket, come in a little bit nicer box. But this is, like I said, this is okay for what it is, especially for the price point. So, and then I do like the logo. I do like the Fortuna that's on there. So, but let's crack it open, okay? Oh, before I do that real quick, where are my manners? Let's do a quick wristwatch check, okay? So I'm actually wearing the I was going to say it's the Nethans, but actually someone messaged me when I unboxed this and told me it was Nettons. This is the Nettons Lava 2. So, great piece, nice Seiko movement, nice chunky piece that I really like here. But anyway, so let's get down to it. Maybe I'll drop that video in the description from when I did unbox this. It's actually probably one of my favorite pieces. So, but let's get into it, okay? So we've got this one here. Okay. So now we'll see the inside of the box. This is really nice. This is kind of heavy. It's felt. The box has felt on the inside of it. So it seems so expensive and overly nice on the inside of the box, with everything being lined in a nice felt there. So, all right. So this, still wrapped in the plastic here, is the fill. Okay, so this is by Fortuna. Okay, and then this does have, let's see if I can pop this out here. Okay, so it does have a screw down crown on it. Let me bring it in for some detailed shots here. This does have, guys, an automatic movement. So as you can see, as I wind it, it's got that nice smooth sweep. Just give it a little juice there. And then it looks like it's I hope it's coming up in camera, in the camera here. It is so it's black. It is black, and it has a gold, essentially gold, gold numbers, gold chapter ring. Everything is gold on the inside, but it looks like the dial is black. But I think it comes off pretty sharp, actually. It's definitely well made, and I think it has a good weight to it, to be honest with you. Let's take a look at the back here. So that's the back. As you can see, it says the plastic on it. does say, looks like it says Fortuna back there. And then this is another watch, just like the last one that I unboxed, with a mesh bracelet. So let's pop this off. Give me 1 second here, guys, as I go off camera here. So that's the Nathan's Lava 2. I'm gonna put that to the side here. And let's see here. We're gonna pop this open. And we're gonna try this puppy on. Let's take it for a spin here. Hold on, bear with me, guys. Let me see if I can get this buttoned up here. Oh, almost got it. Okay. All right. So this one I didn't really. I will need the size, but here it is here on the wrist. Okay. So this is a. I really hope that's. Let me see if I can get my light here. I'm really hoping that is showing up in the camera. Here we go. That might be better. All right, so there you can see a little bit more details here. Okay, you can see that as I bring the light in for a little more detail, you can see that that red tip on the second hand there as it sweeps. So it does have a nice smooth sweep. We'll see what type of movement is in this. Keep in mind, it says made in Germany. So I guess it is a brand that is. Out of Germany. Hopefully that hopefully it's something nice inside of it in terms of movement here. But just a real simple piece, to be honest with you. Mesh, black dial. You got the gold accents on there. Automatic movement, nice sweep to it. Just kind of a nice, kind of a casual piece. I feel like definitely a polo shirt. Kind of a dressy all the way to kind of casual dressy type of deal. Get away with the polo shirt and khakis, but also maybe the dress shirt as well. But I definitely like it. I definitely think it looks nice. And then the band is nice and thick and chunky too. It's not a flimsy feeling mesh band. It definitely feels heavy. So it's definitely a nice substantial piece, especially at this price point here. So let's take a look at the website, guys. Let's put the light back and let's get our phone here. We'll pull up the website. We've got it right here. So this is the fill. Okay, so this is the Fortuna website. This is the fill. And as we come down here, you'll see it's 349 euros. Somebody tell me what that is in dollars. Drop it in the comment section below. Okay. We've got, let's see here. So it's 22 millimeter band. Let's see here. So you can see it's got a fine Milanese bracelet. And let's see here. Is that it for these specifications? Okay, here we go. Specifications. Okay, so we get some more detail here. So the movement type, it just says automatic 05. And then it says, caliber 5. I'm curious as to, what movement that is. I personally am not familiar with that, but, someone in the comment section below, drop that down, let me know. You've got the case diameter, nice case diameter that anybody can get into. Let's see here. Like I said, 22 millimeter band. You can see the water resistance rating. Again, this is, it does have a screw down crown, but, this isn't this obviously is not a diver. But look, hey, it's actually not bad specs to me for, especially for the price. For definitely a very sharp piece. Trying to see if they had any other, sometimes they have other glamour shots here. Let's see here. Oh, that's just the rest of their website. I thought maybe they had it in other colors here, so they don't at the bottom. But it's a pretty simple watch, guys. It's a pretty simple piece, to be honest with you. Definitely some German simplicity going on here. Just like I said, simple elegance, nice smooth automatic sweep, around 150 bucks from Germany. So let me know what you think about this one. Is this too simple for some of you? For me, I like it. I don't mind a nice simple piece. Is it too plain? Do you need to watch with a little more going on, a little more pizzazz? I think there's a nice simple elegance to this watch that I think is actually pretty nice here. So I'll probably size it and hold on to it. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Please be the cool person that hits that subscribe button so that we grow this channel. And other than that, I do want to say also before I leave real quick here, please stay home, wash your hands. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping in. This has been Unbox and Chill. Goodbye.